There we have it. We're up $8,000. I'm going to go ahead and stop the bot. So we are now stopped. I showed a few places where it's traded, and there's some losers in here. The market's kind of all over the place. We'll probably get another winner right here for a short, but we're up 78.95. That's running 10 contracts. That is 79%. And we always try to go for 50%. I almost stopped it right here, and then I let it take another trade, and it turned out we got stopped out right here, and then we took the long, and I thought, that's enough money. So 78.95, that's running 10 contracts. If you were running one contract, you would be at $780, just to give you perspective. And it's actually doing really well. I'm very happy with Coaster Bot. We've got the settings dialed in pretty good, and they just work every day. Yes, there are some losing trades. You're not going to be 100% win rate by no means, but it does actually work really well. And the users in the Discord are doing really well. We've got some people that don't post profits as well, but they tell me what's going on. And a lot of people don't want people to know their business. I don't show all my profits either, and it's just kind of the way it is. But it does real well. If you want to get started on it, we did a live webinar last night showing how things worked, and that if you join that, then you'll understand a lot more about how the coaster works. I don't really show it on the public end. Once you get signed up, we show you all the signals and so forth. It's actually pretty easy. And we also add in levels and so forth to help you understand how you should be trading. But if you have any questions at all, let me know. If you need to talk to me on the phone, I do take phone calls. Most people just send me some emails. Check out the questions on the website. Most of them are answered there. Remember that, a couple things. This only works with ampfutures.com for a live account. And for your prop accounts, it has to be a rhythmic account. It will not work on Tradeify. So this is my platform. It is a white label of Quantower. So if you're used to using Quantower, it's the same thing. We do have some extra things on ours, and all of our updates and everything run right here. So it actually works really well. Very pleased with it. The user switching over from NinjaTrader to the Spy Money platform is unanimous. Every single person that stuck with me and went to this platform is very grateful and very thankful. The platform just works. No freeze ups. You're not constantly rebooting and so forth. So it just works great. It's the very hard decision for me to do, but the end, it is much better. I'm very, very pleased with it. You guys have a great day, and listen to this video on how to get started. Hello, welcome to Spy Money. I'm going to show you how to get started with the Spy Money strategies and bots. So what you want to do is go to Spy Money LLC right up here. And once you go there, you're going to have different tabs up here that you can look at. You can look at our homepage here. You can see different, like this one right here, no more ghost orders. We've got the Spy Money platform now available. You can see some live trading and so forth. A little bit about me if you want to read about me. And also up here, just to get right to it, if you want to lease Spy Money strategies and bots, you go to the lease program right up here. Once you go here, there's a few things you have to do in order to get a link to be able to join. One thing is I want to make sure everybody understands what they are getting into and what they're leasing and how it all works. So it is $1,300 a month. It is a 30-day lease. And what you have to do here is you have to scroll down and you have to agree to these 14 items. Once you read through this and you agree to it, and the number one thing is SpyBot auto trading bots are not set it and leave it bots. You should never really do that. You should always be there to help manage it. Sometimes we have a lot of volatility that comes in and messes things up, so you need to be there to watch it. But what you want to do is if you agree to all this, you start from the top, you scroll all the way down here, and you right click and go to copy. Once you go to copy, you come up to contact us, And you want to put in your first name, last name, email, and phone number. If this is not all here, I will not send you the link to do it. Once you are approved, I will send the link. So you right click in here, put in your information, and then click submit. And if approved, then your link will be sent to you. So we're going to go back to the lease program. I'll show you a little bit about that. And down toward the bottom, it's just showing what you're going to get. You're going to get the auto trading bots. We actually have another one coming out. I'm still working on, but probably just between those two. Coaster does an exceptional job. The Avenger is something just a little different. We may or may not release, but the Coaster is all you need. Then we also have some indicators. We have more indicators than this in the Spy Money package, but I don't have them listed yet. But these are the main ones that you need, and they work very well. Here's some frequently asked questions. Read through these. I'm sure that your question is probably answered here. If not, go to contact us and send me a message. And if you need to speak to me, just put your phone number, when's a good time, and I'll try to work it in the schedule and give you a shout. And if you have any questions or anything, you let me know. I'd be more than happy to help you. You can go through these tabs up here. We do have a VPS program. We partnered up with someone. We found it better to let them do VPS and us do strategies, bots, and indicators. But if you click on here, the medium one is all you really need. You can do the others if you like, but the medium is all you need. So you can go up here. You can look at funded accounts. We have different prop firms that we recommend. And once you click on there, there's 3 of them here. You can click on those. It'll take you to each one of them. They all have their pluses and minuses, and there's some coupons down here. I personally like the static. At BluSky has a 300,000 static, and I think for the money it's probably the best deal. There's no trailing drawdown. You just don't lose $5,000. That's the only rule really. And there is a consistency rule. I think it's 30%, I believe it is. But anyway, just click on there. You can read about it. Take Profit is a pretty decent one. Apex as well. Apex has up to 20 accounts. So if you're just trying to get maybe a couple $100 a day per account, multiply that by 20, then that's a lot of money. So look through those. Pick the one that you like. Read through their rules and so forth. They change frequently, so it's best to just read through what they have. Again, you go up to the lease program. Once you go up here, you're going to be able to send that information to me, and this is a little video that shows how to do it as well. But once you send this to me, if approved, you can get started really quick, and $1,300 a month is the only thing that you pay. And we do have our own platform which works really well. Have any questions, let me know.